Don't you just love avocados? I sure do. Let's make some avocado muffins. Grab 2 avocados and we're gonna put them in a blender. And 2 eggs. Cup of milk. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Blend until smooth and creamy. In another bowl, I need 3 cups of flour. Tablespoon of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, and a cup of sugar. Mix that together. Mix in some softened butter. Add in the avocado blend. Stir that in until just combined. And fill a prepared muffin pan about 2/3 of the way filled. And now I bake them at 400 for about 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Avocado muffins! Serve with butter. It's good. It does taste like avocado. What's an avocado's favorite arcade game? Whack-a-mole. Whack it!